Welcome to the fascinating world of Mars. In this video, we'll be exploring the history, current state, and science of the red planet. Mars has always been a source of fascination for humans. From the earliest observations of the planet, people have been captivated by its unique features and its potential for alien life. In the 19th century, the famous Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli observed what he called canali on Mars, a term that was later translated as canals, leading to speculation that the planet was inhabited by intelligent beings. Mars is sometimes referred to as the red planet because of its reddish appearance, which is caused by iron oxide, rust, on its surface. But Mars hasn't always been red. Scientists believe that in the past, Mars had a more Earth-like climate and may have had oceans and rivers on its surface. The rust that gives Mars its red color is thought to be a result of the planet's climate changing and the water disappearing. It wasn't until the 20th century that we were able to start exploring Mars in detail. In 1965, the Mariner 4 spacecraft conducted the first successful flyby of Mars, returning the first close-up images of the planet's surface. This was followed by a series of orbiters and landers, including the Viking missions in the 1970s, the Mars Exploration Rovers in the 2000s, and the Curiosity rover, which is still active on the planet today. These missions have made some incredible discoveries about Mars. We've learned that the planet has a thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, and that it has a number of unique features, like Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, about 3 times the height of Mount Everest, and Valles Marineris, a giant canyon that is longer and deeper than the Grand Canyon. We've also discovered evidence of water on Mars in the form of ice at the poles and in underground reservoirs. And in 2014, the Curiosity rover detected methane gas in the planet's atmosphere, which could be a sign of microbial life. Mars isn't just a destination for human exploration, it's also a scientific treasure trove. Scientists are studying everything from the geology and atmosphere of Mars to the possibility of past or present life on the planet. For example, researchers are trying to understand the fate of Mars water and whether or not the planet ever had conditions suitable for life. They're also looking at the possibility of terraforming or modifying the planet's environment to make it more habitable for humans. Mars is a truly fascinating and important place for us to explore even further. The mysteries it holds have the potential to teach us so much about our own planet and the universe at large. We've come a long way in our understanding of Mars, but there is still so much more to learn. The future of Mars exploration is bright, with a number of exciting plans in the works. NASA is currently working on a mission to send humans to Mars in the 2030s, and there are also private companies like SpaceX that have their sights set on the red planet. Some people are even talking about the possibility of colonizing Mars in the future. While the idea of colonizing Mars might seem like science fiction, there are a number of reasons why it could be a viable option in the future. For one, Mars is relatively close to Earth, making it a more practical destination for human exploration than other planets in the solar system. Additionally, Mars has a number of resources that could be useful for human settlements, like ice and potentially even underground reservoirs of water. Of course, there are also many challenges to overcome before we can successfully colonize Mars. It will require advances in technology, infrastructure, and space travel to make it a reality. But if we can overcome these challenges, the possibilities for human expansion beyond Earth could be truly limitless. So let's keep exploring. Whether you're a space enthusiast or just curious about the red planet, there are plenty of ways to get involved in Mars-related activities. You can follow along with updates from current missions, participate in citizen science projects, or even join a Mars society. Follow the links in the descriptions for more information. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Mars. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it sparked your curiosity about the red planet. Until next time, keep exploring.